Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Yes. Okay, now let's going to the topic. Today we are discussing about the synonyms. Okay. What is a synonym? A synonym is a word that has the same or almost the same meaning as another word. A synonym is a word that has the same or almost the same meaning as another word. Look at here, we have some examples. Big, large, cold, chilly. Big, large, cold, chilly. Here, large is the synonym of big and chilly is the synonym of cold. Okay. A synonym is a word that has the same or almost the same meaning as another word. ఏదైనా ఒక వర్డ్కి సేమ్ మీనింగ్ లేదా ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ ఉండే మీనింగ్స్ని మనం సినోనిమ్స్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే. అండ్ synonyms are words that share the same or nearly the same meaning. They can be any part of speech as long as both words belong to the same part of speech. Here synonyms are the one of the part of speech. Okay, that is both are nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. Okay, words such as finish and complete. Okay, finish and complete. Once you see here finish word and complete word. Okay, here complete word is the synonym of finish. Yes, this meaning is same or nearly same meaning. Yes, once you observe both words finish and complete, these are the same meanings. Yes. Okay, and calm, tranquil and the peaceful are called synonyms. Okay, a word may have more than one synonym. A word may have more than one synonym. For example, happy. Happy word synonyms cheerful, joyful. Yes, similar meaning. Is it similar meaning? Yes, happy, cheerful, joyful. Okay, cheerful, joyful words are synonym of happy. Okay, how synonyms are useful to us? How synonyms are useful to us? It is useful to know the synonyms of a word because you can use them to bring variety to your speech and writing. It is useful to know the synonyms of a word because you can use them to bring variety to your speech and writing. యువర్ స్పీచ్ అండ్ రైటింగ్లో వెరైటీగా ఉండడం కోసం మనం ఈ సినోనిమ్స్ని యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ సమ్ సినోనిమ్స్ ఇన్ ది సెంటెన్సెస్ బిలో. దే కెన్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది టైమ్ బీ ఫ్రీలీ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ వన్ అనదర్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ది ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ సినోనిమ్స్. ఓకే. Okay, first you observe the first sentences. Look at here. He was an eminent English physicist. He was an eminent English physicist. Here eminent word synonyms are illustrious, distinguished, renowned. These are the synonym of eminent words. These are the synonyms of eminent words. And second sentence, once you observe the second sentence, we learn from our mistakes, errors, blunders. We learn from our mistakes. Here errors and blunders are the synonym of mistakes. Errors and blunders are the synonyms of mistakes. Why? Because these are the same or similar meaning of mistakes. Yes, mistakes అనే మీనింగ్కి, మిస్టేక్ అనే వర్డ్కి సేమ్ మీనింగ్. ఎర్రర్స్, బ్లండర్స్ సేమ్ మీనింగ్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ మీనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయా? చూడండి, మిస్టేక్స్ మీన్స్ ఎర్రర్స్ ఆర్ బ్లండర్స్. బ్లండర్స్ మీన్స్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఆర్ ఎర్రర్స్ మీన్స్ మిస్టేక్ ఆర్ బ్లండర్స్. సో ఒక వర్డ్కి సేమ్ మీనింగ్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ మీనింగ్ ఉండే వర్డ్స్ని మనం సినోనిమ్స్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ look at some synonyms in the sentences below. However, a large number of words that you may find in a list of synonyms do not actually have identical meanings and cannot be used interchangeably. Look at the sets of sentences below. Some synonyms have only particular words మాత్రమే యూస్ చేయాలి, not only other meanings, similar meanings. Okay, for examples, look at here some examples. These are the some examples. How big is your office? How big is your office? How large is your office? Here we pronounce only how big is your office, not large. Okay, how big is your office? And second example, the girl had big brown eyes. The girl had big brown eyes. The girl had large brown eyes. Here we do not pronounce the large brown eyes. Okay, don't pronounce large, only we pronounce the big brown eyes. Okay, big brown eyes. And but don't try, you are a big boy. But don't try, you are a big boy, aren't you? And this is the one example. Here in this sentence, not a large boy. Yes, we pronounce only big boy, not a large boy. Okay, and second sentence, Maria and her brother had a big fight about the bicycle. Maria and her brother had a big fight about the bicycle. Here not a large fight. Okay, we do not pronounce a large fight, only we are mentioning a big fight, not a large fight. Okay, are you understand? And next, for example, look at here synonym. Here small is a synonym of little. Small is a synonym of little. Little అనే వర్డ్కి synonym small. Okay, example, the puppy is really small. The puppy is really small. Another sentence, the puppy is really little. We can pronounce these or these like. Okay, that puppy is really small or the puppy is really little. Okay, and some more examples of synonyms. Okay, once you see here, look at here, these are the words and these are the synonym of words. Okay, once you observe the first word, able. Able word synonym capable. Able, capable. Capable is the synonym of able. Okay, accomplish, achieve. Wrong, incorrect. Incorrect is the synonym of wrong. Unmarried means single. Yes, single is the synonym of unmarried. And next, idea. Idea, thought. Thought is the synonym of idea. Total, entire. Entire is the synonym of total. Choose, select. Select is the synonym of choose. So these are all words and these are all the synonym of words. Okay, this is also words, these are also synonym of words. Okay, and look at some more examples. Amazing, angry, awful, bad, beautiful, big, bright, calm, cool, crooked, dangerous, dark. These are the words and these are the word may have more than one synonyms. Yes, amazing word may have more than one synonyms. These are the more than synonyms of amazing. Amazing అనే వర్డ్కి చాలా సినోనిమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అవి extraordinary, fantastic, incredible, wonderful, fabulous. These are the synonym of amazing. Okay, and angry word synonyms are mad, furious, enraged, enraged, existed, wrathful, indignant, and finally inflamed. Okay, these are the synonyms of angry word. Okay, and dreadful, terrible, abominable, bad, poor, unpleasant. These are all the synonyms of awful. Okay, bad. Bad word synonyms are evil, weak, corrupt, sinful. These are all the synonyms of bad words. Okay, and these are the synonym words, and these are the more than synonyms of words. Okay, and next look at here, the word pretty. Okay, the word is pretty. Pretty synonyms are attractive, beautiful, gorgeous. These are the synonyms of pretty. Example, Kim is very attractive. Kim is very attractive, and that's a beautiful dress. You look gorgeous. These are the example of pretty word. Okay, and the word next word scared. Scared word synonyms are afraid, frightened, terrified. These are the synonyms of scared. Okay, and bad. Bad word synonyms are awful, lousy, terrible. These are the synonyms of bad. And nice. Nice word synonyms are likable, enjoyable, pleasant. These are the synonyms of nice. And these are the sentences example. Okay, are you understand? Okay, tomorrow I will tell you another topic. Thank you.